Something to consider on your forex journey. There are many ways to extract money from the market, and no method is better than another. Some methods present themselves more often or have a higher win rate, but they're not better, they're just different. The difference is made within the trader, since the trader uses the tool in a manner that is either effective or ineffective. If I give a bad carpenter the best saw, the cuts will be messed up and uneven. Not because the tool is bad, but because the carpenter doesn't have the skill to get the best out of the tool. If I give a low quality saw to a talented carpenter, they'll make a work of art because they have the skill to get the most out of the tool no matter the quality. If you're not improving yourself as a trader, it doesn't matter what strategies you learn or what tools you add to your toolbox, especially if you don't have the skill to get the most out of your tools. It's better to get one decent strategy and master how to use it. In forex, the goal is to make money, not to impress with knowledge. When you have too much knowledge, it draws your attention to every area of the chart that is familiar to you. When you focus your knowledge on a single strategy, that is where your visual focus will be on the charts. This is when the setup seems to jump off the screen right at you. You'll be so focused that you'll start seeing the finer details that separate low quality setups from high probability setups. So don't try to learn everything, just learn something that is probable, repeatable, and that you can do easily once you master it. Every strategy boils down to two methods. One, trading from an area of value, or two, trading a breakout. There is nothing new under the sun. There are only two ways of trading. They're just told in different ways by the experts.